Your journey for a quick recovery starts from here. We guide you every step of the way. Fill out the form and upload your previous medical reports. Get an online consultation with our experts before planning your trip. Confirm your availability date to schedule an appointment with our doctor. Receive proper assistance throughout your procedure. Stay in touch with us even after your treatment. Connect with our guest relations officer for better assistance before arrival. We help with consultation, visa, travel, payment option. On arrival pickup from the airport local transport. At the Global Stem Cell Center, you get admission, investigations, treatment. When you depart, we ensure a smooth discharge and drop you off at the airport.